In this video, I'll be doing a review of the Hilton Aruba Caribbean Resort and Casino and also take you for a room tour as well as my top 5 reasons to stay here. Let's go! If you are new to my channel, my name is Airo and I'm a local Aruban vlogger that publishes weekly videos of my home island of Aruba as well as some of my own travels abroad. Should you be planning your next trip to Aruba or simply interested in learning about island life, you have come to the right place. So remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep up with my latest uploads. Now back to this video. So guys, we are on the beach side of the Hilton. The beach looks beautiful here at Palm Beach. And the Hilton is right back there. It's actually not of the largest towers, but if you could believe, like it used to be. So this tower used to be the highest and pretty much the only tower on the whole stretch of Palm Beach. Can you believe that? And yeah, the sand is very, very beautiful. The water as well. On the beach and poolside, you can reserve your palapas, and if you are hungry or thirsty, you can order items from the Gilligan's Seafood Shack. One of the things that I most liked about this resort are the many water features around the garden. As promised, I will now take you to our room, which was situated in the middle or also known as the Bonaire Tower. These 3 towers are named after the ABC islands of Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. So now I'm going to show you the room. I am staying in the 2220 suite. And this is the entrance. Hello there. Let me turn the lock. And this is the entrance of the suite. Let's take a brief look here on the left side. 2 chairs and a very, very nice old photo. This is the Aruba Tower, but this suite is located in the Bonaire Tower. Let's check out what's in here briefly. So we do have a fridge and the safe and some storage space. Staying on the left side, we have this like coffee station, coffee remote control for the TV, some water, and yeah, just the basic drawer in case you have some stuff, but no stove, if that's something that you were looking for. Dining room table, which seems comfortable enough. A sofa, which let's check out if it does have. Yeah, it will be converting to a bed also, so a sofa bed. That is important because we are staying with a kid this time. And yeah, 2 large windows. And briefly, let's see if we can see outside. And no balcony on this side, but we are able to see the pool, and that one actually is the Rio and not part of the Hilton Hotel. Now this is the bedroom and a TV right here. That's fairly basic. I love the photo. I think that's really, really cool. And it looks very comfortable. This bed looks very, very comfortable. And I have one light that is off momentarily. And before we go into the bathroom, let's check out the storage here. And fairly basic, but certainly a lot of space for your stuff. Now, last but not least, let's check out the bathroom, which I already took a brief look here, and I think this is a very, very nice size of a bathroom, and it just looks really, really nice. This, in case you do not know, is the Isla de Oro. just situated in Savaneta, and a walk-in, very large, very nice, with everything that you can think of mostly. And something that I always check is for the place to have USB port, and in this case it's going to be like right here, so probably one at each side. I haven't looked all throughout the bathroom, but there might be more hidden somewhere. Let's check out briefly the balcony without breaking it. And yeah, mostly the same thing. And I can't spot the Curacao Tower from this side, but just very briefly. So this is the swimming pool that's situated in between. Let's see if I can open this one up. Yes, we can. And if we are able, oh yes, we are able to see the swimming pool and the beach from the suite. And we are just on the second floor. And with that, that's the room tour. We'll continue exploring this beautiful, beautiful resort in just a bit. Later that evening, we hung out at the beautiful Mirasolo Bar, which is situated just next to the lobby. Apart from great cocktails, you can also watch your favorite sports and mingle with fellow travelers. If you need anything, there is a shop and market in the lobby, as well as the tour desk and casino entrance. You will perhaps also notice several large photos of this iconic hotel. Long before becoming the Hilton Aruba Caribbean Resort and Casino, it was named the Aruba Caribbean Hotel, the first luxury resort of Aruba, officially opened back in 1959. The following clips are old family video archives made by my father. This hotel was a key component that paved the way for further development of tourism on the island. Also appearing in the videos are my mother, my sister, grandparents, aunt, uncle, etc. It's also worth noting that it was the only tower on all of Palm Beach, as I previously mentioned, and certainly makes you understand why it was called this way, because it was full of palm trees. Good morning, guys. This is the first morning here and we are heading for breakfast. For the breakfast, we headed to the Laguna restaurant, which offered a breakfast buffet. If you include the breakfast with your stay, this is where you will need to be. It had a large selection of food like pastries, eggs, fruits, cereals, and a whole lot more. So we'll be eating a little bit unhealthy this morning, but why not? I want to try some of these things. And Marlene is having maybe a little bit healthier, except these two things. But it looks good. So we are paying, let's see, so we are paying this one. The endless breakfast is $25.50. Includes the continental buffet, eggs, the order station. I will be having, I do believe, a smoked salmon Benedict. Very good. So Marlene decided to get the salmon also. Let's see if she will like it. Hopefully she will. 2,000 years later. If you are looking for water sports activities, there are plenty to choose from, and not just at the Hilton but all over Palm Beach, so this is definitely the area to stay. On the hotel premises, there's also plenty to see and do. Among other things, the tropical birds, but please watch out or they will bite you. There are also several areas where you can play games. While I did not film much of it, we sure had fun playing around. The pools are divided and named the North Pool and the South Pool. There are water features everywhere, which makes you feel in paradise. If you are looking for a gym and spa, they are on the beach side. But there is no doubt our favorite place to hang out was at the pool, and our new friends seem to agree. So guys, I hope you have been enjoying the video, and if you are, remember to subscribe, like this video, share it, and comment below, ask your questions. We have really enjoyed this day so far, and the swimming pool, have we not?
It's amazing. Yeah, it's beautiful, and
yeah, they have two swimming pools, so a north one and a south one, and in total there are two huge swimming pools. And of course you still have the beach on that side, as you saw, and hope you've been enjoying the video. We also ordered
a Pokeball.
Yeah, Pokeball.
It tastes very good. And we ordered a cappuccino and a Coke.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't want to go for the alcohol yet.
No. Not yet.
But later on tonight we are going for dinner, probably at across the street. Probably there are so many restaurants just outside the hotel, and I don't know.
We're going to swim.
We're gonna keep swimming for a bit. So see you guys. In between the pools, you can get your towels, check out the activity schedule, rent a bike, and also refill your water bottles. So I am checking out the sunset, and that's one of those things that obviously staying at the Palm Beach, you can always like be right at the beach and check out those things. Sunrise, sunset especially are very beautiful at the beach, and some folks still in the in the swimming pool. I'm not sure till what time it closes, but I do believe around 7 or 8 or so. And we are heading now to dinner somewhere outside. I have an idea, but we're going to check if there's space, because we haven't made reservations, to be honest, so hopefully there is. We are here at the Asia restaurant, and we decided to order a bonsai roll, a gaiche roll, and some dim sum. And it's a beautiful restaurant. A little bit hidden, but it's for the reference, it's just right behind the Gianni's, you know, the popular Italian restaurant. It's time to reveal my top 5 reasons why you should stay at the Aruba Hilton Resort. Number 5. It's centrally located at Palm Beach and there are many great restaurants nearby. Number 4. The many activities and games that you can experience and or participate while staying. Number 3. The pool. It's large, great, and never feels crowded. Number 2. The beach. While I did not swim at the beach, it's truly one of the best reasons to stay here. And at number 1, the staff. Whenever we had any questions or requests, they always went the extra mile to make sure we were pampered. And with this, we have come to the end of another vlog. I hope that this one has given you enough information in case you are planning to come to Aruba and possibly stay at the Hilton. Things that I was missing in the room, just briefly, if I can touch still on them. I do like to have a mirror when I'm shaving. That's one of them. And another thing that I thought in the bathroom, they did not have like enough power outlets, and they did only have like one at each side of the bed, and maybe some USB ports would have been nice. But the rest of the room is really nice. And as far as the staff, I was really impressed. The service, the staff is, to me, apart from just the grounds, is what stands out at this resort. I think they are doing a fantastic job, so thumbs up to them. And as far as the facilities, I was thoroughly impressed. You know, I would definitely stay here again, and I'm so happy to have been able to review this one for you guys. Hope you got the information that you are looking for. If not, feel free to check out more of my videos, or if you are specifically checking out Hilton videos, feel free to keep searching on YouTube, and there are more you know, vloggers that have done a review on this property. Nothing further. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment below, and like this video. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.